everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you a recipe of a hair tonic. Actually I'm calling it hair tonic because it's a water based solution and it may control all your hair problems. But yes, it's not for drinking, it's for applying in your hair roots. Let's see what we need to make this. We need fresh amla, durba leaves and hibiscus flower. Actually, durba is a type of grass and it's necessary for worshipping in Hindu rituals. This is how the durba grass looks and you may find it anywhere in your garden. Durba is very good for our hair. It stimulates our hair roots and helps our hair to grow. But please pluck the durba carefully because we don't need the roots, we need only the heads. Our next ingredient is hibiscus flower. It helps in our hair growing, it controls hair fall and it stops premature hair graying, and it also makes hair shiny, soft and smooth. We need 2 red hibiscus flowers and we need the petals only. And last but not the least, amla. Amla is very good for our hair. It is full of vitamin C and antioxidants. They help in our hair growing and it controls hair falls. And we all know about the benefits of amla, so I don't need to talk much about it. Now let's see how to make this. Here I am taking 4 amla. They are enough for my hair length. If you have shorter hair, then you can reduce its quantity. Wash them very well and then grate them with the help of a grater. Or you can also make a paste. Actually we need the amla juice. And then strain it with the help of a strainer. Actually the juice will be the base for our solution. Here is our amla juice ready, and let's get into the next step. We have to mix the goodness of all 3 ingredients. Now we have to crush the hibiscus and the durba leaves. For this I am using a mortar and pestle. You can choose any other method, but you have to crush it. At first crush the durba very finely and then the hibiscus petals. Crush it as fine as you can. Here is our amla juice and the crushed mixture of hibiscus and durba. Add the mixture into the amla juice and mix it very carefully. At the time of mixing it, the solution will be changing its color into a reddish tone. And mix it very carefully for 1 to 2 minutes. And then strain the mixture. And here is your hair tonic or solution, whatever you want to call it. Apply the solution directly into your hair roots. You can use a cotton ball or even a dropper. I am using it with the help of a dropper. Keep the solution in your hair for 45 minutes and then wash it with a mild shampoo. And please use a good quality of conditioner because it may make your hair a little bit rough. Do this remedy twice a week if you have severe hair fall issues. It will be control your hair fall in just 1 month. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and comment below what you are thinking about the video. I hope the video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Please share it with your friends and give it a big like.